All right, so this is by far the biggest care package that I've ever received thus far. I mean, this is the massive, ridiculous size box right here that I'm going to show you guys. But this is one of 10 that they sent out, and I was lucky enough to actually get one of these. But they also sent another care package that I got the next day. And before I even got to turn around either of those videos, I got another 2 packages right here. And all of these are from ADIDAS, and I believe they're all Pharrell related. This is absolutely insane. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. What is going on, guys? Hues here, CollectiveKicks.com. Hopefully you guys are having a good day out there. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to it. Hit that notification bell as well if you want to be notified of when my videos. And if you guys like this video, please go ahead and drop a like on the video. It shows ADIDAS and Pharrell that you guys appreciated the content. But this is a crazy gift package that they gave right here. A really, really big one in this big, huge, ginormous box. Then this other one is gift wrapped even. And so I was like, man, I got to open this one live because I haven't seen what this one is and I have no idea what this one is. And then I got this other one too, these 2 boxes here, which I have an idea kind of what is in this one. But I'm just blown away, man. It's been a crazy, crazy year, and blessings on blessings have definitely come my way. And I've tried to bless people out there too. You know, it feels like karma's like a real thing. I posted this the other day, but my wife's friend from work, she's a nurse and her friend's a nurse, single mom, I believe, and her kid was in need of a PlayStation 5 or wanted a PlayStation 5, obviously, to gift to her kid for Christmas. And I actually came through, got one for her. And then somebody else came back and said they wanted an Xbox, and actually I was lucky enough to get an Xbox for one of them. And also some more sneaker karma right here. This cactus plant flea market dunk right here. My friend Jen actually hooked me up with this one for retail, and the resale on this one's absolutely insane. So what I wanted to do is help her out a little bit. So I actually ended up sending her a pair of Air Force Ones, the G-Dragons or whatever that she wanted. Karma going out and then karma coming back in, man. It's just been crazy. But anyways, let's not wait any further. Let's see what's in these boxes. We'll start off with this one because I really want to see what is in this box. It's wrapped so nicely. Like, I need to take lessons because I'm so bad at wrapping Christmas presents. I actually tried to wrap them this year for the first time. Not easy. All right, so this is like a ADIDAS and Pharrell wrapping paper, first of all, which is super rad. All right. I have an idea. I have a feeling it's probably going to look similar in shape to one of these ones right here. Which they also gifted me these ones in the past, which has been super crazy fun year. Pharrell Williams Hue NMD Green with human race in Vietnamese, actually. Oh, nice. They added a little sticker this time. And it came gift wrap this time, too. Ooh. Wow. Those are bright. I like this. So this is the new colorway coming out, I think, around Christmas. This is super, super dope, though. I love the way that they wrapped them up with the laces. I like the promotions that they've been doing with that as well when you see them on the ADIDAS Confirmed app. So for those people that are looking, you can try to get your pair from the ADIDAS Confirmed app, I believe is where they're going to be dropping, as well as I think BBC actually drops them as well. So it says human race in Vietnamese, which is really dope. I love the font that they used on this one. It's really, really thick print, so it's like really well pronounced. And a side-by-side comparison, this is the Vietnamese and this is the Korean joints right here. So these are definitely different. And the upper actually on this one is totally different than some of the other ones I've seen. It's like really thick. Shout out to Pharrell and ADIDAS Originals and Mimi for the samples again of these. I don't know how they pick out the samples for these, but I'm just stoked that they have me on their list. Like, it's one of those things where you start a channel and you like hope that you're eventually going to get reached out to and get on some sort of a seed list. And like, it's crazy to be like a part of that. I don't know. I feel it just feels really, really dope. And I'm very, very thankful. And I've been a big fan of Pharrell for years. Back Jay-Z and Pharrell frontin' and like Lap Dance and like, I mean, from Nerd. Like, I really liked what he was bringing to the table back then. He ruled the airwaves for the longest time. And that era of music was really what solidified me in wanting to become a DJ. So, like, I don't know. I definitely love the vibes that he was putting out. And it's great to see the evolution of what Pharrell has been doing. And I like that he's been doing it with a global, like, inspiration. I just think it's just next level. So these other two, I think, are from ADIDAS, a different side of ADIDAS, but let's see what they sent. All right, cool. So here's one of the boxes. Let's go ahead and pop. All right, so now we have all of the things out from those 2 giant, ridiculous boxes. We haven't even got into the mega box down here. That's just crazy, but let's take a look here. So it looks like they sent some Pharrell Williams pants. This is like a triple black colorway, human race. Ooh, that's dope. It says human race right across here. This is like a reflective material. That's really, really nice quality. Sheesh, these are probably the nicest sweats I've ever had. The retail on these are $90. I'll link all these actually in the description for those that are interested in buying. I can tell you right now that this is like super, super nice quality. And what better thing to like gift somebody, like especially around this time of year. It's like winter time, it's a little bit chilly. And then on top of that, I'm working from home every day, so this is going to be like another staple here. I really like the Human Race name across the side of it. But so those are the pants. Big shout out to Kyle and all those other people at the brand that made this happen. I actually met some of those people up since I worked in the same building as some of the ADIDAS people back last year. So it's been cool to be able to like still be able to connect with some of those people, even though I'm not in the office. But sheesh, really nice t-shirt again. Hue t-shirt, black colorway, Hue logo here, and then the back has actually little triangles all over. And I believe that these are reflective as well. Super nice quality t-shirt. Sheesh, man. All right, and then this is a bigger one. So this is like the matching hoodie for the sweats. Real nice quality on here as well. It says Human Race on the sleeve. This is definitely going to get some wear around here. This is really thick. So the apparel is super dope. These have been super dope. But, I mean, this is... you can't even believe there's more. It's just insane, man. Oh, nice. So we have a pair of the Solar Hues in black. Reflective hits on here as well. This is a great colorway, and it's actually a sleeper model as well. I did a video on the Solar Hues a while ago, so it's nice to be able to see that they actually dropped another one for this triple black collection. They actually dropped like I think 9 or 10, maybe even more pairs of sneakers for the triple black collection. Some of you guys were asking about review of the triple black Ultra Boost. I didn't get a pair, but I can if you guys would like. I would totally buy those because it's like a triple black with the Pharrell branding on the heel cup, which is pretty nice. And then this is the last box. I'm struggling. Let me open it. It says it's the Chanceletta's Hue. I know I'm butchering the name, but we know what that means. It's actually a slide, as you can see here. So these are the Pharrell Hue Boost slides. For those that didn't know and that are newer to the channel, you guys might not have known that I'm a huge fan of the Boost slides in general. Like, I actually created my own Boost slide before Adidas ever like made one. I actually created one like 4 or 5 years ago. So, and then now Pharrell has this Human Race branding on it, which is definitely like nice quality with the straps and everything. These are really, really dope. $100 retail on these though is a little bit high, but it's like sweats and slide year. 2020, 2021 is going to start out that way too. So these are absolutely welcome. And the triple black, man, super, super dope. First time actually seeing these in person. So really, really nice. Now we have the biggest box of all, so let's go ahead and jump into the big one. This box weighs like 27 pounds or something like that. It's the heaviest, the largest seed box I've ever got in my life. And actually, my very first look at these was actually with my kids, so I'll show you guys that part of the video where we first pulled it out of the sleeve, and then the kids got to look at it too. So here's that. Cute. Are you guys holding hands?
Yeah, we are.
You guys want to help me open my package?
Yes, 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 yes.
I think it's for Daddy.
I think it's for Harry.
You think it's for you?
I think it's for you.
Okay. We made a cardboard box for it over here. Not so good.
No, actually Uncle Ryan made it.
Oh yeah, Uncle Ryan did.
What is it? What is it? It's me something.
I have no idea. Whoa, what in the world is this? It's a huge box. Call Mama and let her know, Mads, what we got. We got a big, huge box.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know. It weighs like 1,000 pounds.
Let's see.
Okay, Harrison, open it up and let's see what we got. Maddie, come see. Come see, Maddie, what we got.
What? Another box?
What?
Whoa.
What? Oh my goodness, look at this box. That's amazing.
Hey.
Wow. This is awesome.
This is dope.
Look at those little flower things.
Yeah, what are those things?
Here's what it says. It says my name.
Dad.
That's me.
Whoa, this is dope, dude. These are...
Wow.
Whoa, these are...
Those are Boost slides. I'm so stoked about these.
I am so impressive. Dad.
Wow.
Dad,
That's not me. That's Pharrell.
Well,
Yeah.
Dad, you what?
That's Pharrell.
Dad, you what? Dad, you? Dad.
This says my name here. It says heskicks.
Dad,
And this is NIGO.
NIGO.
NIGO and Pharrell.
Now, can I tell you something?
Yep, Ellie.
So after when you do this, let's play Paper Mario.
You want to play Paper Mario? Okay, that's a good call.
Because we haven't played for a long time, right?
We really haven't.
I just really wish Paper Mario was 2-player. So you can be Luigi and I can be Mario.
So we could do like a friendship game of Paper
Yeah.
Mario.
Yeah.
Harrison, this is a friendship package right here. This is a friendship package from Pharrell and NIGO. They're friends.
Count this one, count this one.
You want to try the fruit drink?
Yeah.
Wait.
This is the freaking awesomest box.
Jeez. It is awesome,
Jeez,
Harrison.
dude.
Thank you for helping me open it, guys.
Okay, let's put this back on.
Okay.
Bye.
What an absolutely crazy, insane box. There's Pharrell and NIGO right there. It says heskicks, longtime collaborators. Pharrell and NIGO reunite to create the Friendship Pack, a footwear collection exploring the duo's global cross-cultural impact. Drawing on the past while looking to the future, the collection features 2 unique takes, the Chancletta's Hue and the Tokio Solar Hu silhouette. So first of all, they sent some socks, which is always welcome. White socks usually turn colors in my house, but I do like to have some white ones as well. Then, I mean, this is crazy that in 1 week I got 2 pairs of these. I got a black one, and then I got the crazy one from the Friendship Pack, which honestly, the very first images of these I saw was Pharrell tweeting it out, and I was like, man, those are crazy. I love the colors that he had. I like the oranges color on here, as well as like the sand color, and then hits of that, I guess it's like a teal or a bluish mint green as well. Similar to, but not the same as these. This is definitely a lot brighter. And for those that wanted to see, there's like 3 levels of brightness. Like the brightest over here, not as bright, and then a little bit less bright as well on these ones. So they definitely have a nice variety of colors there. The yuzu drink, this stuff is so good. So last time my friend Lena came to town, myself and her went to Portland and got some coffee at a coffee place, but really she wanted this stuff. And so we went to this special coffee place in Portland so she could actually buy this stuff. And so I got her like a case of this for the road, or a couple bottles for the road. But then these were in the care package, so I was like, no way. I've totally had these. These are super good. And my kids drank the other 2 that they opened, which was hilarious.
It's delicious.
Yeah, you like it?
Let's have a little taste.
Here, Maddie.
Have a little taste.
Here, try this one. I don't want to open 2, Maddie. Here, try. You don't want to try, Maddie? You want your own?
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh? I love how Maddie wouldn't share. And last but definitely not least is the Tokio Solar Hues, which again, like, how crazy is that? I get a pair of Solar Hues, and then I get the Tokio Solar Hues the same exact like weekend. It's just nuts. So this is the regular Solar, and then this is the Tokio Solar, and I'll do a detailed comparison between these 2 shoes because this version I actually really like. It's definitely very lifestyle centric, has like a lot of cut and sew on the upper, and just looks really, really dope. Like it's a really colorful pair of sneakers. But not only is it really, really colorful, I like the structure of the upper. Orange, obviously, on the midsole is probably my favorite part just because it's so incredibly vibrant. But this is a really good one, and I'll be doing a review on these as well, so stay tuned to the channel. I might do a review on the Boost slides as well, because these I've been really wanting to get my hands on. I have the regular Boost slides, the ADIDAS ones, but these ones feel like they're much beefier and just nicer in hand, so I'll probably be doing a video on those. The care package also came with 2 bracelets and then 2 of these little guys right here, and actually I didn't understand what I'm looking at, but if you look really, really closely, it's an ADIDAS logo 4 ways around to make like a little flower effect, but it looks kind of like a tag. You could probably wear it on your shoe. That would be pretty rad because it like totally matches the shoe, but my kids want these and these, so you know, that's what happens. But this has been an incredible care package. Packages like just insane, man. And I'm beyond thankful for the people that are in the positions to be able to bless people like myself. I'm a sneaker guy. I have a sneaker YouTube channel, as you guys know, but at the end of the day, I'm a regular dude. I shut off the camera. I go back downstairs and make sure my wife is okay, taking care of the kids. We try to figure out what we're feeding the kids dinner every night. And I'm passionate, and I like the hobby of sneakers. So it's been such a fun, amazing journey on YouTube. And then getting like a care package like this from a brand that you really like, but also Pharrell's brand, has just been super dope as well. So man, I can't even tell you. I want to like start DJing again and just break out all of my Pharrell songs and just do like a monster mashup of all the the Pharrell songs that I have, because he produced so many songs. Thank you, Pharrell. Thank you, ADIDAS. Thank you, Mimi and Kyle and everybody else out there that's been a part of this journey this year. I'm looking forward to 2021, but thank you to you guys as well, the viewers, which also is a very integral part of what this channel has to offer. So appreciate you guys as well. Drop a like on the video if you guys like the video, and I appreciate you guys very much. But have a good holiday as well, and hopefully you guys will come back and check out the channel again. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Peace.
No more, Daddy.
No more video?
Yeah, no more, Daddy.
But I want to show people that you can drink the juice. Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
2-year-old drinking out of a glass bottle? That's pretty cool. Pretty good, huh?
No one, Daddy.